So this is the main living space. This is very much the pièce de résistance of our house. Absolutely love it. The light in here is incredible. So one of the main things that we wanted when you walk into our home is to firstly see this beautiful kitchen island, which will be cloud-versed by Caesarstone. That for us is a focal point. The other focal point are those two beauties behind me, which are my metal windows, which basically are flanked on either side of the fireplace. Those are the two have to have. Then onto this beautiful kitchen. As you come in through the front door, it's the first thing that you see. What we've gone with is the Caesarstone Cloudburst. I absolutely adore that color. I cannot tell you that stone is absolutely stunning. We very much wanted to have a space that we could have as many people around the island. It is the heart of our home. Laura is my go-to. She's got an amazing natural style. She's got a beautiful heart, whether it's her styling in what she wears or her finishing touches when styling for a home. She was definitely my go-to person. I was just very, very blessed to be able to work with her on this. So much has happened since you were last here. I can't wait to show you. Look.
Wow.
Around.
Joe's amazing. Like literally the last time I saw this was just planned.
They have moved so fast.
Show me.
I prepared a little mood board for you. So I love your input, kind of, but not, you know. I'll take what I want to.
I think finally it's time that you get to do what you want to do.
I know, well that's the thing. We're always doing clients' projects, and this is the one time that I'm actually getting to do 1000% what I want. So we've decided to go for the cloudburst concrete here. I just felt that the undertones in it were just beautiful, and it works. Look how beautifully it just picks up on the oak.
It does.
And then for the joinery color, we've decided to go for this. It's no one's color. It literally took about 1,000 attempts to get the color right, but I love it. I mean, I feel like it's still fresh and it offsets slightly against the cloudburst. And then obviously we've got the integrated extractor fan, the two lights on either side, which we're going to bring the brass in with that as well. And then we've got the stone coming up here, which I think will look beautiful. It'll just be very, very simple. A beautiful floating timber shelf, which will run across from the top as well for all those little, pretty cake stands. Not that I have lots of things, but a few of the key things. Yeah, so what do you think?
I love it. No, I really love it. Tell me about where you are going to put your fridge.
So the one thing that we wanted to do is obviously keep things very clean. I didn't want my kitchen to feel like your traditional kitchen. So I've decided to go for the floating shelf, as you can see, but it really left no space anyway for a tall unit. So we've stuck it around the corner in this gallery.
As a mom, the first thing that came to mind when you told me that you're going to put your stove here and your sink here was little hands reaching over.
Yeah.
Safety-wise, I think that's a really good idea.
I can't say I was thinking about that, but I'm so going to claim that one now. But it's true. I mean, Ethan climbs on our kitchen counters all the time. So yes, I totally did it for that reason.
No, I really love it. I can't wait to see it come to life. I got to run, but do you mind if I take these with me? I'm feeling super inspired by this.
I'm flattered, absolutely. Go ahead.
Thanks.
My stone has been selected, it has been templated and fabricated, and it's finally arrived. Hi Scott, how are you doing?
Fine yourself?
Good, good. So you have an hour to install that, all right?
Yes.
This is hair raising stuff.
1, 2, 3. It's up. All right.
Oh, my soul. I wish I could put this into words. I think when you've dreamt and tried to imagine of how something would look for so long, and then you see it here, I can't explain it. I can't put words to it. This is my very happy face. Do you need my muscle skunk to help you lift it? Ooh, look here. How cool is this place? Ta-da!
Wow. Oh, definitely went with the right choice.
I know, amazing, hey? So in like 3 weeks' time,
Yeah.
you'll be cooking dinner for me in this kitchen. There we go.
And so how did day one of the installation go?
No, it was amazing.
Really?
It was amazing, yeah. When that first piece of Caesarstone, when that top came in for the island, I have no words for it.
I don't know who
is
chose that top for the island, but it's
You don't know who chose
the
that?
perfect specimen of cloudburst.
You're looking at the perfect specimen that chose it.
Of course.
When it was placed down and I saw it in that space with the lights in there and the paint color and the joinery color, I gave myself a bit of a
That's incredible.
on the back.
That little shadow line on the waterfall on the edge there.
Crazy, right?
That's really cool.
Makes such a bold statement, hey? As you walk into the house, the first thing you see is this beautiful island. What should we do after dinner tonight? Let's pack.
Can't wait.
Okay, well, let's just make this happen. If not, we just wing it and, you know.
Like we always do.
Like we always do.
You make it happen.
Absolutely. That's why we're the 18.
Amen.
I've loved every moment of renovating and creating this dream family home for ourselves. But yeah, now it's time to celebrate. Come with me, I'll show you my beautiful new kitchen. So welcome to our kitchen. This really is the heart of our home and where the magic happens. One of our thinkings behind this kitchen, we wanted to keep it super simple, and we have affectionately labeled this our deconstructed kitchen. We started off with our beautiful island that really just anchors it, and then we've used beautiful oak, floating shelves, and a very simple extractor hood. All of these brass details just tie the different elements together and just add a beautiful focal point wherever you look. One of the big design elements in our kitchen is obviously our stone design, and I absolutely love it. I cannot even put into words how much I love it. What we've wanted to achieve was for the island and the kitchen to still feel strong. So it's elegant and minimalistic, but at the same time it still has a strength about it. We had the perfect space underneath our stairs for a walk-in pantry, which is something I've always wanted. And the bonus is I can close it up and pretend it's not even there. The kitchen for me is so important because it really is the heart of our home. It's a place where you gather. You know, it's a place where you make food. And it's obviously something so natural about that. Especially being a mom, you know, you just want to feed them. In those living spaces and seeing people communicate and seeing people together in my home and enjoying the space, that for me, I can't even describe the feeling. It's incredible. If you are thinking of renovating your kitchen or are in the process of planning your kitchen revamp, then these are just some suggestions that I have for you. You don't have to stick to the rules. Think about, first and foremost, how you want the space to function for you, how you want it to look. At the end of the day, a space you love is a space that you'll spend time in. Then I would say keep your finishes simple. If you are not wanting to redo your kitchen in 5 years' time, then keep your materials feeling natural. So that's what we've done. We've gone for more organic finishes and colors. So definitely simple is best in that regard. Then I would also say less is more. So if you want a kitchen that is more versatile, think about maybe doing floating shelves as opposed to cupboards, because you can style that in many different ways. Kitchen styling is huge. Everybody loves to do a nice shelfie. So think about that as well. If you want to change up your kitchen, you can definitely do that with styling.